Well, number one, you would engage with a housing counselor one-on-one, and they would take the deep dive on your goals, on your housing needs, on the area you want to live in, and how that home can meet your as well as your family's housing needs. We will determine your affordability with you, help you understand what you can comfortably afford to live in that home. And we always tell people that when you're buying a home, it's not just the home. You're buying a neighborhood. You're buying a police department, fire department, library, park district, school district. You want to make sure that all of these support services meet your family's needs. And those are those conversations that you have with your housing counselor. We'll do the financial assessment. We'll pull your credit. We'll see where you have maybe some pain points in your credit that you need to address to make sure that you are adequately positioned and in the best position to be attractive to a lender. We will also talk about the importance of working with your realtor, being very transparent with your realtor, because they're going to be the ones that helps you source that property that really meets your needs, not only for your housing needs, but the location, your school needs, and everything else that your family must consider when you're making the biggest purchase in your home. Your home is not only your place to live, to grow, to plant roots, to become a part of a community, but also to grow your wealth.